Turbocharged and rally-inspired, the WRX Premium was built to make every road worth driving. Including all the base model has, the WRX Premium boasts the power of the 268 horsepower direct-injection turbocharged 4-cylinder Subaru Boxer engine, the traction of Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive, and the choice of a 6-speed manual transmission or the innovative Sport Lineartronic transmission with 6 and 8-speed manual modes and paddle shifters. You'll also get increased handling agility thanks to standard inverted front struts. With all its power and performance, the WRX is also fuel efficient. The WRX Premium comes standard with 18-inch alloy wheels and fog lights for enhanced visibility. Opt for the available Performance package to claim ultra-suede-trimmed Recaro Performance Design front seats, an 8-way power driver's seat, red-painted brake calipers, and Urid high-performance front brake pads. Inside, there are heated front seats to enjoy and a wide-open view thanks to the power moonroof overhead. Subaru Starlink Multimedia Plus with a 7-inch touchscreen now features standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, along with Sirius XM All-Access Radio, Travel Link, hands-free text messaging capability, HD radio, and Bluetooth connectivity, helping to keep you connected while on the road. And EyeSight driver assist technology is available to help protect you from dangers you don't see coming. To learn about the next model in the lineup, the WRX Limited, click the link on your screen.